What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tayana, aka Say T, and today I'm here with a nail video for you guys. Now, I do this every now and then, and every time I do it, I get complimented. So I figure I will let y'all in on the tea on how I do this. So if you guys like saving money, you like getting your nails done, you like pampering yourself, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you guys how to get salon quality nails for only $7, sis. You're not gonna believe that, but it's only $7, honey. Go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you guys subscribe. Let me know if y'all like this. And yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so the nail set that I use is actually the Kiss nail set. I believe you can purchase this at Walmart or Walgreens. Every time I've purchased it, it's been about $7 is some change. It does come with up to 100 pieces, so you can get up to 10 sets, which is pretty cool. You're also going to need a nail kit that comes with a cuticle cutter, angled cuticle cutter, a pair of nail clippers, preferably big ones, a cuticle pusher, some nail glue. I prefer the brush on because it's better than the one that comes in the kit. You're gonna need some emery boards and some cuticle oil or whatever oil you prefer. I actually got this one from a nail kit that I purchased a long time ago. I like the smell of it, it's really good. You're also gonna need some non-acetone and acetone nail polish removers, some cotton balls, and whatever this little doohickey is called. Honestly, I don't know. I know it's found at the nail salon, but that's about it. Also, you're gonna need a buffering pad and whatever nail polish you prefer, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so starting out, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff off any oil or dirt that I have on my nail bed, and then just push the cuticles back. Now, I would say be very gentle at this part. I know it looks like I'm doing it pretty rough. I'm not. It just looks like that. But just do it very gently because, you know, your skin is sensitive. So just be careful, sis. Be gentle with yourself. So now we're just going to go in with the cuticle pusher, push them back, and then take the first cuticle cutter that I showed you, and I'm going to clip those off. And then whatever's left, I just use the angled one and just go in right behind it and clip whatever is still hanging there because it must go. Okay, so this is pretty much what my nails look like. Still looking raggedy, but at least the cuticles looking better. You feel me? save y'all the time and the headache, I just went ahead and cut out all of the filing. After that, I just took the acetone fingernail polish remover and I'm gonna remove all the dust that came from filing. And now we're actually gonna go in and apply the nails, and I'm gonna show you how we do that. So my glue was a little old, but it was like tacky enough to where it was gonna stick. It was like perfect, so it was cool. Taking the nail, you just make sure all of the like dust and everything is gone. Shape it up to your finger, and then I would say you would only need like 1 coat of glue, but because my glue was old, I did like 2 to 3 coats. And make sure you hold it on there for like 10 to 15 seconds. Hold it all the way, not just the base. Hold it at the end to make sure it's secure on the entire nail. This is what's gonna make sure it lasts about 2 weeks, is if you have it on there securely. So just do each finger, and then we're gonna go into shaping them how we want them. Taking the clippers, I'm gonna clip the sides first. I want the coffin shape, so this is gonna make it easier for me. Taking the clippers, I clip the sides, and then I take that pink thing and shazam, just clip that off, bam. And then go back in with the clippers to get that more of a coffin shape, and then go back into filing.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
So at this point, I realized I had cut myself. I put that acetone on there, and honey, when I tell you my skin was burning, I was like, oh my Lord, I didn't even realize. But this is pretty much it. Just going in with the non-acetone nail polish, removing all the dust that was left, taking the buffer pad, just making sure the nail is all smooth, and then going in with the cuticle oil, making sure that my cuticles are revived, because they needed it after that. This actually did feel really good on my cuticle, especially the ones that I did cut. So I would recommend putting some kind of oil, even if it's just olive oil or coconut oil. Put something on your cuticles because you are going to need it at the end. This is very taxing on your skin. But that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys try it out, let me know. Tag me on Instagram. Make sure you check the description box. Everything y'all need to know will be there. As y'all can see, this rain is not letting up. So that's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know what y'all think. Hit that comment button. I said that's so wrong. Subscribe, comment, like. Make sure y'all do all of that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.